Hello students, our next chapter of GK of 4th class is the sun and its planets. You can see this is the solar system. The solar system consists of sun and its 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, and the other satellites, moon, asteroids, meteors, etc. So this is a solar system. Today we will discuss some questions about this solar system. Our first question is, what does sun give us? This is a sun. What does sun give us? Sun give us heat and light. Next question is life possible on the earth without sun? No. Without sun, the life is not possible on earth. Next question is, the sun mainly consists of 2 gases. Can you name them? Yes. The sun mainly consists of hydrogen and helium. How big is the sun in comparison to the earth? In comparison to earth, the sun is 12,000 times bigger than the earth. The sun is 12,000 times bigger. Which gas? Next question is, which gas make up the sun's core? Helium gas. Helium gas make us the sun's core. Next question is, what is the distance of sun from the earth? From the earth, the distance of the sun is 149 million kilometer. The distance is 149 million kilometer. Next question is, what time does the sunlight take to reach the earth? From the sun, the light goes to earth in what time? 8 minutes and 16.6 seconds. In 8 minutes and 16.6 seconds, the light reach the earth from the sun. Next question is, what is the diameter of the sun? The diameter of the sun is 13,91,980 kilometer. 13,91,980 kilometer. This is the diameter of the sun. Suppose this is a sun, this is a diameter. 13,91,980 kilometer. Next question is, which planet is the smallest planet? Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. Next is, which is the biggest planet? Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Next is, which planet is called blue planet? Earth is called blue planet because due to the abundant water on the earth's surface. There is abundant water on earth's surface, so that's why we called earth as a blue planet. Next is, which is the brightest planet? Venus. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system. Next is, which planet is called red planet? Mars. Mars is called red planet because it appears in the sky in orange red color due to the iron minerals in soil in this Mars. Next question is, which planet is furthest from the sun? Furthest means Neptune. Neptune is the last one planet in the solar system from the sun. Next question is, which planet has bright rings around it? Saturn. Saturn has these bright rings around it. Next question is, and last is, which planet in solar system where life exists? There is only one planet in the solar system where life exists, that is Earth. On the Earth, the life exists. So the next one is, a solar system consists of sun, these planets, moon and other satellites. Like first one is asteroids. Asteroids are the small planetary bodies that revolve around the sun and found in between the bits of Mars and Jupiter. In between Mars and Jupiter. And next is meteors. Meteors are fragments of rocks coming towards the earth. They are formed due to collision among the asteroids. Collision of these two asteroids, the meteors are formed. So this is your 21st chapter, Sun and its planet. Now our next chapter is knowing networking. In this chapter there are some questions we will discuss. The first question is, what is an online journal where an individual, corporation or group can record their activities, thoughts or beliefs? That is called weblog or blog. Next is, what is URL? URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Resource Locator. URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Next is, what is ISP? ISP is Internet Service Provider. ISP, Internet Service Provider. It is used to store the information. Next is, which of these is not a popular social media website? First option is Facebook and second option is Linux. Facebook is a social media website, but Linux is not a social media website. It is an operating system that is used to run the parts of internet. Next is, when a word appears underlined on the web page, what does it mean? When the word appears underlined, underline means it shows a link to another web page, like this, when the word is underlined. Next is, web addresses usually begin with which? Usually begin with HTTP, with this symbol. Next is, which of the following is primarily a blogging website? WordPress is a blogging website. Next is, what is World Wide Web? World Wide Web is a interconnected pages on the internet through which users share information. Next is, which is the first electronic computer? The first electronic computer is ENIAC. It means Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Electronic Numerical Integrated and Computer. Last one is, the main memory of computer is RAM, read only memory. That is RAM, read only memory. So this is our 22nd chapter, knowing networking. Next one is 24th, special places. Special places. The first one is garage. Garage is a place where cars are repaired or kept. Next one is studio. Studio is a place where photographer or the artist works. Next one is bakery. Bakery is a place where bread is made or sold. Next one is monastery. Monastery is a place where monks live in complete seclusion. Means the building occupied by a community. This is a building occupied by a community, that is called monastery place. Next is oasis. Oasis is a green area in a desert where water is found. In a desert there is no water, but oasis is a place, a green area where water is found. Next one is mint. Mint is a place where coins are made. Coins of, as you all know about the coins, that what are coins. Next one is pantry. Pantry is a small room near the kitchen where foods, etc. things are kept. Next one is museum. Museum is a place where rare objects are displayed. As you all go to the Golden Temple, there is also a museum where the many things of related to Sikh religion are kept. Next one is theatre. As you all know about the theatre, where the plays are enacted, means where we go to watch the movies. Next one is cabin. Cabin is a room in a ship, a room on a ship. So these are some places, special places. And the next one is Indian authors. Next chapter is Indian authors. The first one is Abul Fazl. Abul Fazl write the book Akbarnama. Akbarnama is the history of the Akbar. In this book there is a history of Akbar. Next is Kalhana. Kalhana write the book Raj Tarnagini. This is about the rivers. Third one is Valmiki. Valmiki write the book Ramayan. As you all know about the Ramayan, this is the story of Lord Rama. Fourth one is Ved Vyas. Ved Vyas write the book Mahabharat. Mahabharat is the story of Lord Brahma and the story of Pandavas and Kauravas. Fifth is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru write the book Discovery of India. In this book there is all about the India. Next is Kalidas. Kalidas write the book Abhyagyan Shakuntalam. This is the play in which Sanskrit play of Kalidas. Next is Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand write the story in his book about Mansarovar. Mansarovar is a river. This story is about that river. Next is Jayadev. Jayadev write the book Geet Govinda. Geet Govinda is about Krishna and Radha's love story. Next is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore write the book Gitanjali. Gitanjali is a poetry book. In this there are many poems written by Rabindranath Tagore. Next is Pandit Vishnu Sharma. Pandit Vishnu Sharma write the book Panchtantra. Panchtantra book is on the animals. In this book there is all about animals. He write about the animals. So this is your 25th chapter, Great Indian Authors. Thank you.